We need to determine the value of cotangent of 22.5 degree. Let us begin. So what we'll do, we're going to express 22.5 degree as cotangent of 45 over 2 degrees. Fine. Next, what we'll do, we have a standard formula. We know that if we have tangent of angle A over 2, then this is given by plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine of angle A divided by 1 plus cosine of angle A. Now since we have the cotangent function, so here what we'll do, we will only have to do is take the reciprocal, so this will become equivalent to plus or minus the square root of 1 plus cosine of angle A. So here A will be 45 degrees. So we have cosine 45 degree here in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 1 minus cosine of 45 degree. Now we have two values, plus value and a negative value, but what we'll do, we'll only consider the positive value. The reasoning behind this is 45 over 2 is an angle that lies in the first quadrant where all trig functions are positive. So that means we have 1 plus cosine 45, that's 1 over square root of 2, divided by 1 minus 1 over square root of 2. This is going to give us square root of 2 plus 1 divided by square root of 2 minus 1. Now let's rationalize the denominator of the expression inside the square root. This means we will be getting square root of, we'll take the denominator, which is square root of 2 minus 1, and multiply it with its conjugate, which is square root of 2 plus 1. Well, you have to do that to the numerator as well. The numerator, we already have a square root of 2 plus 1. So when we multiply it with itself, that's going to give us a square value. Now that means we have the square root of 2 plus 1 whole square divided by, in the denominator we'll have a difference of squares, so that's square root of 2 whole square minus 1 square, meaning we now get the final value is square root of 2 added to 1, and this is going to be the value of cotangent of 22.5 degrees.